You are the lab research assistant to an amazing scientist, Dr. Zingo Zango. What's not so amazing is how forgetful he is. Your top secret laboratory is underground. The doors will lock in 1 hour and stay locked all weekend. However, Dr. Zingo Zango can't remember the secret codes to unlock those doors. It's a good thing he's hidden cryptic messages around the room to assist you. A series of puzzles stands in the way between you and the outside world. Demonstrate your knowledge of measurement so you can escape in time. Good luck.